to sleep when the stars were near. A gentle voice I still can't hear. Her lullabies carried me through, a melody pure, a love so true. Her song in me will always play, guiding my heart, lighting my way. Through every step, through all I see, I carry my mother's song in me. She taught me to stand, to dream, to fight. Her wisdom shining like morning light. When I was weak, she made me strong. Her love became my life.